Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video we are going to learn about the environmental conditions for seed germination. Here you can see the different types of environmental conditions such as moisture, temperature, light, air and disease-free seed. In this video we are going to learn these factors or conditions in briefly, such as first one is moisture. Seeds must imbibe moisture to a certain degree for the germination process to be initiated. Moisture is needed to initiate the enzymatic breakdown of food reserves. The critical degree of imbibition differs among species. For example, whereas soybean needs to imbibe about 50% of its weight before germination, sorghum requires only about 1/3 of its weight. Then horticulture plants that germinate best under conditions of high moisture include beet, celery, lettuce, etc. When raising seedlings in flats or glass plate may be used to cover the flat to prevent moisture loss through evaporation. Similarly, the flat may be placed in a plastic bag to accomplish the same purpose. Although moisture is critical germination, excessive moisture encourages rotting and other diseases. So this is the moisture factor. Then temperature factor. Temperature regulates seed germination. In seeds that require cold temperature treatment to break down dormancy, abscisic acid or other inhibitors are broken down under low temperatures. When warm spring temperatures arise, levels of endogenous gibberellins increase, resulting in germination. The rates of biochemical reactions are controlled by temperature. When soils are too cold, growth process slow down or cease altogether. Generally, a warm seedbed is desirable for seed germination, but warm season crops such as bean, squash do better at warmer temperatures such as 15 to 25 degrees centigrade. And cool season crops such as cold crops do well at cooler temperatures less than 10 degrees Celsius or 50 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is the temperature factor. Such as light factor. Most seeds do not need light to germinate. A number of horticultural species including some herbaceous garden flowers, some vegetables such as lettuce and celery and grasses require light to germinate. The species are therefore planted shallowly in the soil. Light inhibits germination in some species such as onion, which must be planted deeper in the soil or covered with a dark cloth or other material in the nursery. Geraniums require darkness to germinate. So this is the light factor. Then number 4 is air. In most species, germination is an aerobic process. The low oxygen concentration of soil air is inhibitory to most species. The seedbed must be well drained for good aeration. Then last one is disease-free. As indicated previously, soilless media are sterile, but field soil may contain pathogens that can overwhelm a developing embryo or young seedling. One of the most common diseases of seedlings is damping up. Fungal attack caused especially by Pythium ultimatum or Rhizoctonia solani. Then these fungi are active at warm temperatures 20 to 30 degrees centigrade and thus are less of problem when germination occurs under cooler conditions. So these are the different types of conditions or factors for a successful germination. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.